Okay, let's do one last one, and we'll call this section a day. We have f of x equals x plus 4 over x. Find the absolute max and min on 220. So unlike our previous one, where we went off to infinity and an asymptote, this one we'll probably be able to get exact answers for. Let's do it. Start by taking the first derivative. F prime of x is equal to 1 minus 4 over x squared will be the first derivative of this function. Set that equal to 0. And this will be real similar to the one we just did. Times everything by x squared gives us 0 equals x squared minus 4. And hopefully you can just tell that the two solutions to that are going to be 2 and negative 2. And you could find that by adding the 4 over and then taking the square root. Negative 2 we can get rid of because negative 2 is not in our interval. And this is interesting. It just so happens that 2 is our endpoint, and so that's okay. So the only 2 points we need to check are 2 and 20. We do not need to check any other points in the interval because they were not places where our first derivative were 0. If I plug 2 into the function, I get 2 plus 4 over 2, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. If I plug in 20, I get 20 plus 4 over 20. And so if I do that, it'll be 20 plus a fifth, which will be 20.5. Therefore, 2 is the absolute minimum. 20 is the absolute maximum. And I do not need to check any other points because of the first derivative and the way the derivative works. Hopefully you understand absolute max and absolute min. You want to check every point where the first derivative is 0. You should also check points where we're undefined, or at least the limits as we go to the place where we're undefined. And also you need to check the endpoints. And that is it. That is how you do this section. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.